Hi, in this video I'll be showing you these three Statesman microwaves. And what I want to do is just quickly take you through each of them. I don't think it deserves a video each, so I thought I'd chuck all the three into one video. Now the first one is this one here. I must admit the model numbers on these are not that great, so I'm going to have to refer to our little digital tickets for the model numbers. So the first one is the Statesman SKM SO720 MPW. Just rolls off the tongue. This model has a 20 litre capacity. When you open the door you can see inside that you've got the glass turntable, and the diameter of that is about 24.5 centimetres, around 9.5 inches. You've got the manual timer on here that goes up to 30 minutes. So you just turn that, and then when it's finished it makes a ding. It's also a 700 watt microwave, and to adjust the power you just rotate the dial here. So if you're just after a basic microwave with no frills, this could be the one for you. And the next model is the SKM C0925SS, and with this one, this has a 25 litre capacity. As you see here, you've got the full stainless steel interior, which personally I much prefer to the standard acrylic interior on a lot of cheaper microwaves. With this one, it's got the full combination cooking option. So with this, you can either use the microwave, grill or oven. You can do a combination of the cooking with the microwave, grill and the oven. So if you wanted to cook things, for example, like a jacket potato, then you could combine the microwave and grill at the same time. So as well as cooking the inside of the potato, you get a nice crispy skin too. As far as the capacity on this is 25 litres, and also with the extra capacity compared to the basic model I've just showed you, this allows for a slightly larger turntable. And on this one, this is 27 centimetres or 10.5 inches in diameter. It also includes this tray as well, and that can just sit on the turntable while it's cooking certain foods. Finally, just to mention, it's got an LED display. You just rotate the dial here to set the time. The time goes up to 95 minutes, so you've got quite a bit longer that you can enable the cooking time compared to the first model I've just shown you. Also, you've got options on here for things like automatic programs, where you've got 10 different options, and also you've got 11 different power levels. And this is the final model of the three. This is the big boy in the range. This model is the SKM C0930SS. And with this one, this has a 30 litre capacity, so it's got a really good size interior. And of course, again, as you go up in size, this allows for a larger diameter glass turntable. And with this one, you're looking at 31 centimetres or just over 12 inches. I've just plugged this one in to show you the LED display, because on these models, that's actually a really nice display. Again, you just turn the dial depending on how long you want it to cook, and it just shows if I turn it slightly to the left, you can cook up to 95 minutes. So on this model, you've actually got 6 power levels. All you do is you just press that button depending on the power level required. Things like the convection, if you wanted to use it as an oven, which at this kind of capacity, then that's a really good option. Compared to heating up a much larger capacity in your standard oven. If you're only going to cook one item, for example, say a roast chicken, then I'd recommend just popping it in here. If you just press the convection option, then it shows the temperature in degrees centigrade, and you can change it so it goes from 200 all the way down to, what was that, 110 degrees. Also, you've got different options here, so you can either just have the grill on its own or combine the microwave and grill. Again, as I mentioned on the other model, if you wanted to cook something like a jacket potato, then that could be a really good option. Also, you've got the microwave and convection, so if you want to combine the microwave with oven cooking, then that's the button to select at the bottom left. So there's plenty you can do on this. You'll also find it includes this metal tray as well, and that just sits on the turntable like that. I suppose the main advantage, well for me, if I had this microwave featuring this metal turntable, then I'd be popping my bacon on there to put another grill. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the three models. Now all of these are available in different colours, so just because I've got them on display here in either silver or the white, don't assume they're the only colours they come in. Statesman actually do a really big range of microwaves. I'd recommend following a couple of links below to our website where you can see all the different colours and all the different combinations that are available. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on these three Statesman microwaves. I just wanted to make it quite quick today, just going through the three different models, because these are the three main models that we've had in, and I must admit so far we're actually doing really well with them. All I'd normally say is please give me a thumbs up on my YouTube video, click subscribe, leave any comments below. I always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. If you've come here to find a feature on one of the microwaves that I've not covered, then we've actually got these on display at the moment. Just pop it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Also, if you have got one of these microwaves, it doesn't necessarily have to be one of these exact models. If you have got a Statesman microwave, let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.